I'm totally game. Do I need to turn my...
Actually, it can hurt you.
Oh, tama na. Start it. Okay.
Do you want a coin disappearing in your...
Guys, enough. It's enough.
Ow!
It's okay with you.
Okay, everyone, I'm ready.
It's enough.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
enough.
We have three magic
Enough.
here.
Enough. Okay, Mikey, start it.
Maki.
Maki.
Maki the Great.
Nakakasilaw.
Maki is the game. Magic is the name. Maki is a Filipino figure of David Blaine.
How come P become
Professional.
figure naman?
You're not professional yet.
I'm just amateur.
I really don't care.
We have amateur musician and amateur supporting.
Guys, please shut up.
What is shut up?
Sa Tagalog na ako.
Okay, I'm very
Okay, Maki.
So let's keep our mouth shut.
Balasahin ko ulit.
What? I'm sorry, I cannot understand. What was it
Okay,
again?
do your
Yes,
job.
if you don't understand.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
So it helps me that I'm
So shut
an
the fuck up.
idiot.
Okay, do your job.
Alright, I'm going to shut the fuck up.
Don't mind them, okay? Do the fun.
Do the fun? What is do the fun? Parang ano do the juice.
Alam mo yung flying
I thought you were talking about the slang form in Tagalog.
I don't know any slang form.
Oh, what happened?
Ayoko na kayo
What will happen at this part?
Ayoko na tuloy.
Oy,
You're all too many,
Jarek knows me so well.
No, ito.
Oh, no. Okay, thank you so much.
What kind of magic do you want?
Okay, so whatever becomes like the part of the game.
Choose a card.
Okay, I'm going to choose a card. How many cards do I need?
Just one. I said card, not
Oh,
card.
I'm sorry. Thank you so much for
Stupid.
correcting.
Before your way,
Okay? Don't show it to me, show it to them.
I'm not
Okay?
going to show it to you. Why are you just
No.
why are you
Okay.
pointing that card to me? Do you want me to select that one?
No,
Okay.
I don't.
So I can select from
Oh,
here.
I'll cover my eyes first.
Okay, you can do it. Are you afraid to see it?
Show it to them.
Do I need to show it to you guys?
Yes.
Here.
In that way, you'll know if
I
it's
don't
the
mind.
right card or the wrong
Oh,
card.
do I need to return it?
Yes, of course.
Okay, great. Am I going to shout because of the outcome of this game? Do I need to shout?
No.
Oh my god, I'm getting scared.
Sabi niya pare.
so whatever will happen.
We warn you.
I'm getting scared.
You don't have to
Part of the
care.
game.
Okay.
It's part of the game.
No,
it's only one.
Wait,
No.
you can start slow and I'll ask you to go fast.
Okay.
Okay, one, then...
Start slow.
Okay lang, tropa niya eh. Just get it on okay.
Mukhang babanatan mo.
I'm getting scared.
Sure ka?
Yeah, let's
Are you
get it
sure?
on.
You want a one big blow? Are you sure you want
Well, after the one,
Okay. I'll ask first.
Hear that?
Is that a red card or the black card?
after the one blow, I want something more.
Something more.
Red
Blow,
card.
you want something
I need
more.
a hint.
It's a red card.
It's a red
Sure.
card.
It is.
Yes,
Okay.
after the big blow.
Yeah. Maybe you will give up, Maki.
Are you really sure? This is the final one.
Are you?
Yeah.
You will give up?
Are you sure?
I'm damn
Okay.
sure.
I'm asking you to
Maki
move a
won't
little
give
further
up.
because
Do I need to move? How far?
no, that's okay.
Okay.
My God.
Derek.
Okay,
It's a red card. It's a one
It
big
is?
blow. I
It's
told you. A single digit or a human card.
It's not an image, it's a number.
Ah, I'm sorry. I don't know how to speak in English correctly.
I can understand you, I can adjust.
I grew up in China, so I'm weak in English.
I actually grew up in
South
in
Africa?
Manila.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
I thought you were from Brooklyn.
Manila. No, I'm not
Manila.
from
Lagi come to
Oh,
Manila.
you know that song?
Yeah. Of course, we live in Mandaluyong under the red roof.
Oh my God. Under the red group.
You know the red roof built
Yeah,
over.
I'm very
No,
familiar
it's
with
in the
that. I came
hospital.
from there.
I'm not talking about the hospital.
Oh,
You know the red roof built
where?
over at Dumlao?
Pinapatagal
It's
niyo
not
pa
real
ang
anymore.
I'm getting very excited.
Okay.
Get it on.
Okay, final
Okay, back to the game, back to the game.
final question.
Oh, he wanted to say something.
Final question.
I'm damn sure.
Okay,
That's what
okay.
you're going to ask.
She wants a one big blow.
Okay, I'll do this, okay?
She wants a one big blow.
No, shut up. Who? Shut up. Who? Let me recap, okay?
Are you going to show me something that I didn't see yet on my life?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unexpected.
Oh, if
Oh,
I will
unexpected.
expect unexpected, then it's already expected.
No, it's not. It's a random thing.
No, wait. Okay, let's get it on.
Okay, let's do a recap.
Get it on the floor. Get it.
Let's do a recap, okay? It's a red card. It's a number. Okay. You show it to them already, you know?
I did show it.
Okay. One last question. Do you want me to find how many
I
tries?
want you to find it in one try.
Okay, let's count. Let's count. Okay. It's a red card, okay? Okay. Okay, let's count. Okay.
Don't make
Just
Usag ka sa kanya.
Don't be.
do you want me to
I
count
want it
in?
to be really harsh.
Okay. Do you want me to count in Chinese, in Filipino, or in English, or in Spanish? Okay, I'll count in Spanish. Okay.
Okay, lagyan.
A la una. A las dos. A las dos. A las tres. Here comes your one try.
Oh my God, that's crazy.